Hi, and welcome to another Brain Crane video. Today we're going to be calculating the size of one of our favorite Family Guy characters, Peter Griffin. And also we'll be calculating the size of our favorite meme, which is the Obama Prism. So now let's get into an example with the Obama Prism. The first thing we need to do with the Obama Prism is find out its dimensions. Okay, so the height is 1.87 meters, the length is 4 meters, and the width is 3 meters. This way we'll be able to find the volume and the size of the Obama Prism. So the equation to finding a volume of a pyramid such as the Obama Prism is length times width times height, and all of that divided by 3. So our length is 4, our width is 3, and our height is 1.87. So now let's look through the step-by-step process on how to find the volume of the Obama Prism. Step number 1 is to replace all of our known variables with what we already know. So we know that the length is 4, so we replace L for 4. We know that the width is 3, so we replace the W with 3. And we know that the height is 1.87, so we replace the height with 1.87. Our second step is going to be to combine like terms. We have a 4, a 3, and a 1.87, but multiplying all of those together will be really complicating, especially because 1.87 is a decimal. So let's do the easy ones first. 4 times 3 is 12. Then we can work with the decimal later on. Our third step is to multiply 12 by the decimal, so 12 times 1.87 gets us 22.4. It's a lot easier to do the decimal now because we are nearly done with the equation. Our final step is to do 22.44 divided by 3, which gets us 7.48, which is now our final answer for the size of the Obama Prism. So now let's move on to the next example, which will be Peter Griffin. So like before, we have to find the dimensions of Peter Griffin before doing the work. So his height is 4 meters and his radius is 2 meters. To find the volume of a sphere, we must use the equation 4 over 3 times pi, which is 3.14, and so on, times the radius cubed. Now let's go through the steps using the equation for a sphere. The first step is to substitute any of the known values straight into the equation. So we know the radius is 2, so we put 2 into our equation. The second step is to do any steps that you already know, and we know that we can do 2 to the power of 3, because 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2, and 2 times 2 is 4, and then when you multiply 4 by 2 we get 8. So therefore our new expression is now 4 over 3 times pi times 8. We want to keep pi till the end, so what we're going to do is do the other steps first, which is going to be 4 over 3 times 8. And 4 over 3 times 8 is 10.666 repeating. The line over the 6 means that the 6 will keep repeating forever and ever. Our last and final step is to multiply 10.6666 by pi, which gives us the value of 33.51. Remember, when you're writing a value for a volume, you always have to use cubed at the end, so meters cubed or centimeters cubed.